Hi, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Chris Baker, bringing you information about your health and wellness. My involvement in medicine goes back decades. I started as a nurse, critical care, in New York City, and stayed in that profession for 10 years before and during going to University of Kentucky College of Dentistry and getting my DMD. Then the pediatric specialty at UConn, University of Connecticut, and a fellowship in orthodontics there. I'm an eyewitness to the long-term decline in American medicine as practiced and taught on many fronts. I've served on the faculties of 3 dental schools. I'm a life member of the American Association of Pediatric Dentistry and an officer, of course, in other professional and medical groups. I've practiced and taught pediatric dentistry and orthodontics worldwide. And as a mother of 4, oldest son is assistant dean of the clinical affairs at the University of Kentucky College of Dentistry. Another son diagnosed with autism at age 2, now high-functioning, great young adult. I have never stopped my study of medicine and how it affects our lives every day. And I can tell you, American medicine is broken. Having raised my children, including years of homeschooling, all during my various educational years and career years, I find myself totally driven by the constant and never-ending improvement in how to be the absolute best mom and teacher of my children. My instincts as a mom fully drive me when I practice, research, and share medicine. I want to know what works, what heals, and what doesn't. We are humans. We're meant to live and create and are not to be managed like cattle, to wring every cent out of our pocket and for the sake of short-term profits, turn off every bright light in the future of our children's lives? No. There is hope, as true doctors and medical researchers have stepped into the breach to defend in many ways by educating and teaching. I'm part of that very component of where we are now. Defend, yes, from the fraud, profiteering, and political agendas of the medical industrial complex. Today, we're witnessing a David and Goliath situation, with brave medical professionals and citizen journalists choosing to defy the rampaging giant that threatens us daily. To be honest, it's a scary moment for many of us doctors, especially seeing the power and money that Goliath has, but there's no other honest moral choice but to be on David's team, obviously. I know and work with some of these wonderful doctors and medical professionals getting the word out with social media on X, Substack, my website, and other media. Please join me in this moment of huge change. On X, Twitter, I'm Dr. Chris Baker and use the same handle on Substack and Facebook. It's great to meet you.